Okay, boys and girls, I hope that you have your reading started 3 books, please. Okay, and like I said, we're doing Unit 3. So, Unit 3, Up in the Sky. Okay, now, as you can see in the picture, what do we have in the sky over here? So there are birds, right? So there are birds in the sky, or up in the sky. Okay? And what is something that birds have? So for birds to fly, they need to have wings. Okay? So that's our first word we need to know. Wings. So birds have wings, and you can see the wings over here. So 2 wings. Okay, I don't think birds can fly with one. I don't think you can just fly like this. Okay, you gotta fly with 2 wings. Okay, so over here, wings. Okay, so that's one thing that we already know is in the sky. Let's see what else we can think about that is in the sky. So can we put up the white notepad, please? Okay, things that are in the sky. So I'll just write up in the sky. It's the name of our story. Okay, up in the sky. Can you think of anything that I will see when I look in the sky? Alright, the first one that I am thinking about starts with a C, okay, and an L, so cl. The next one is let's do this one. A-I, air something, air, okay. Then we have m, something in the nighttime, it's a m, and something in the daytime with an s. Okay, so something that is white in the sky, something that can fly in the air, in the sky, it can fly, it's an air. This is something we see in the night, it looks like this. And this one over here. Okay, and this one. So I'm sure you can guess these two. What about this? That one over there. And I don't know if you guys can guess what that is. I don't know if you guys can see what that is. I tried though. Okay. So the first one, this one is a cloud. Okay, a cloud. And this was supposed to be an airplane. Airplane. Then we have the, I think you all know it's the moon. And of course the sun. Okay, so those are just some of the things we see in the sky. Now let's see what our story is going to tell us about things that are up in the sky. Okay, boys and girls, let's have a look over here. So, before we move on to the vocabulary, let's quickly look at our sentence over here. So it goes, the birds fly in the, so where can the birds fly. So they fly in the wings or they fly in the sky. Of course, the birds fly in the sky. Okay, and then they use their what? They use their wings. Okay, so they use their wings. Alright, so here you can see this is a beautiful red wing, so pretty. Okay, and then let's go and look at our vocabulary words. Excuse me. Alright, boys and girls, so we have jet, jet, moon, star, and round. Of course, last one, small. Can we have the whiteboard, please? All right, first one was jet, so jet. 2 is moon. Star. And round. And of course, small. Alright, so let's look at the sound. So jet, moon, star, round, and small. Okay, so boys and girls, let's practice again. And can you please say it with me? Alright, so jet. Let's go. Jet. Moon. Star. Round. Small. Okie dokie. Let's go ahead. Excuse me. Let's go ahead over here and look at what these words are. So this is a jet is something that can fly in the sky. A jet is also very fast. Okay, so it is faster than the airplane. So a jet goes very fast. Okay, so you can look at the picture of the jet, right? Very fast in the sky. The next one is the moon. Excuse me. So the moon looks like a circle, and actually the moon looks like it has a rabbit in it. If you look at the moon, it looks like it has a rabbit on the moon. So the next time you look at the moon, try and see if you can see the rabbit. And the moon comes in the night time. Okay, so in the evening. Okay, so it's very dark and you see the moon. And then we have a star. This is so beautiful star, as you can see. Alright, and we have many stars in the sky, and the stars, so we have many stars in the sky, and they look like this over here. Okay, can't really think of anything else about the star, so yeah, that's cool. round, this means something that looks like a circle, right? We know that word, circle. So can you think of anything that is round? I can think of a soccer ball. I can think of a baseball. I can think of a tennis ball. Right? So at home, I want you to look around in your room or in your house and see and try to find things that are round, okay? If I look around over here in this classroom, I can see that my watch is round, okay? I can see that no, nothing on me. The cap is round, okay? Can you see anything that's round on the whiteboard? I don't know. Over here, I have a round magnet, okay? And then small. This means that it is not big. All right, so this is a big square, and this one is small. So we want to talk about this and not this, okay? So small. Do you know any animals or insects that are small? What about an ant? An ant is very, very small. So ant, small. Can you think of anything else? Maybe a bee is small. Right? Any other animals that are small? A mouse. So a mouse is also small. Okay? So these are the words we will be saying or reading in our story. So let's go ahead and look at it again. J, et, jet. Can you say it? J, et, jet. M, un, moon. M, un, moon. St, r, star. St, r, star. Round, round. Round, round. And small, small. Small, small. Okay, boys and girls. Now, let's go back into our books. Okay, so of course you guys can practice saying the vocabulary words over here, and also let me remind you about these other words over here. So we have these and of, okay, and we will look at how we can use these words later. So the first one, the is, so remember it's for many, and it's also very close, so I can touch it. Okay, so it's close, so for many things that I can touch. For example, I have 2 markers, so they are many markers, and I can touch them. So these are my markers. If I cannot touch it, I will say those are markers, but these I can touch. Okay, so it's close, I can touch it. We say these for many. If I have 1 marker, can I say these? No, right? It's only 1. So many, these. Okay, let's go down a little bit over here and we'll have a look at the first two questions in our book. We need to look and circle what is in the picture. So the first one is a picture of a soccer ball, okay? And the soccer ball is round, or is it the moon? So of course the soccer ball is round, okay? The next one is it's a picture of a jet. So is it a star or a jet? Of course it is the jet. Okay, stars do not look like this. Maybe I can make a star like that. Yeah. Okay, but that's not the point. So yeah, so it is a jet. Okay, so I hope you guys got this one right, boys and girls. And then now we will practice reading. Yeah. Okay, so can we please zoom in? Okay, so we'll have a look over here. So I will read with you guys, or I will read the story to you first, then we will practice reading together. So please listen and look in your book. Look up. What do you see in the sky? In the day, we see the sun. A jet flies up to the clouds. At night, we see the moon and the stars. The moon is big and round. These stars make the shape of a big cup and a small cup. Okay? Now let's practice together, boys and girls. So we go, look up. Can you say it? Look up. What do you see in the sky? What do you see in the sky? In the day, we see the sun. In the day, we see the sun. A jet flies up to the clouds. A jet flies up to the clouds. Okay, let's go to the next page and we'll go. At night, we see the moon and the stars. Okay, can you say it? At night, we see the moon and the stars. The moon is big and round. The moon is big and round. These stars make the shape of a big cup and a small cup. So, let's go. These stars make the shape of a big cup and a small cup. Okay, so that's our story about things up in the sky. Okay, so we're going to practice reading it some more because I see some very long sentences. So we need to practice it again. So let's go ahead and we'll start over here. Okay, and I want to see if you guys can read it with me again. So look up. Look up. What do you see in the sky? What do you see in the sky? In the day, we see the sun. In the day, we see the sun. A jet flies up to the clouds. A jet flies up to the clouds. Next. At night, we see the moon and the stars. So let's go. At night, we see the moon and the stars. The moon is big and round. The moon is big and round. These stars make the shape of a big cup and a small cup. So, these stars make the shape of a big cup and a small cup. Okay? Good job, boys and girls. Oh, I should clap like this. Left hand, right hand. Okay. Now, because we just have a few minutes left, we're going to practice one last time, and I'm going to help you only a small little bit, okay? I'm going to help you guys just a little bit when you read. So this is what we'll do. I am going to make the sound and see if you can say it. And then the second time we can say it together, okay? So let's try. Look up. What do you see in the sky? In the day, we see the sun. A jet flies up to the clouds. Good job. Okay, let's go. At night, we see the moon and the stars. Can you say it? The moon is big and round. Okay. These stars make the shape of a big cup and a small cup. Okay, so let's go ahead over here, boys and girls, and let's look at the little questions we have over here. So we're going to try and just quickly fill that in, okay? So what do we see in the day? Okay, so the day is like now, right? The sun is out, no moon, right? So what do we see in the day? So can we see the sun? Can we see the moon? Or can we see the cup in the sky? Alright, so of course, over here, I hope you chose your answer. We can see the sun. Okie dokie. Alright, so we see the sun over there. And now, just zoom out please. We're going to look at the different things in the picture from our reading. Okay, so just zoom more. Okay, thank you. So guys, let's have a look over here. Can you tell me, what is this? What is that? Is it an airplane or is it a jet? Airplane or jet? Okay. So let me put the question up here. So is it a jet or an airplane? All right, over here. Is this the sun or is it the moon? All right, is this a big cup or is it a small cup? And this one, is this one the big cup or the small cup? Alright, so I'll give you some time to just look at it and try to choose your answer, and then I'm going to give you the answer. So just 10 seconds, boys and girls. 10 seconds. Time's up. Let's see what the answers are. So of course, this one is the jet. Okay? This over here is the moon. And this one is the small, should write cup. Oops. Small cup, right? And this, if this is the small cup, then this one is the big cup. Okay, so boys and girls, I hope that you guys enjoyed reading all of these and that you guessed the right answers. Okay, we are going to end our lesson over here, and the next time I see you, we will practice answering the questions. Okay, so thank you for coming to our class today, boys and girls, and see you next time. Bye bye.